So these are the Tagry wireless earbuds. We're going to go through all the settings, all the different things that you can do with these, right? We'll talk about the LED power display. We'll talk about wireless charging. Comes in multiple colors, comes in black, pink, purple, white, ocean blue, and sunset pink. This is the X08 version, as you can see right up here, true wireless headphones. Takes basically any connection to any device as far as iOS, Android, Windows. That's both tablets, smartphones, and even desktop computers. So let's jump into the unboxing and go from there. So here's the unboxing, right? So here's the front cover, the side cover. You can see it does have a built-in mic, smart touch, and it is IPX5 waterproof. On the back, right, it gives you a little bit more details about the transmission lane, range, waterproof level, your playtime, the devices it work with, the standby time, and then the other side, it's got a few more things as far as wireless charging, LED power light, and portable charging case. So let's open this up and get started. Packaging is neat. See, this kind of pops out right there. And there's the case right here. And there is an instruction manual. We won't spend a ton of time on that, but there's a user manual that goes through how to do everything. You'll notice it does come with extra ear tips, a USB-C charging cable, a manual, the charging case, and the charging ports that tells you all about the different parts of the actual device. So right out of the box, let's just see how much power it comes with. It should be a little bit charged. Most devices are. You can see there that there's your USB-C charging port. There's your LED screen right here, and this has a little cover on it, so we're going to take that off. There's also one that wraps around the top too. Nice packaging, nice design. And then you can see they're at 100% fully charged. So that's that LED right there. If we take one out, you'll see it's got a longer stem right there. Obviously this is the black color, and these just slide right back in there. And there is a magnet both on the lid and on the earbuds themselves. I don't know if that's at the bottom or the top, but once it goes in, they're there. So connecting to the Bluetooth is super easy. You're just going to go to your settings, whatever settings you are on your phone. We're going to pair a new device. You'll want to make sure that the charger is open. It takes just a second to recognize. And so once you have the charging port open, it'll pair a new device. You just look for the device. You can actually do this in dual mode where it's stereo mode, or you can do it in single earbud mode. You'll see right there the X08 pops up. I'm going to click pairing, allow access. We're going to pair right there, and we are now paired to these new Tagry X08 true wireless earbuds. So I'm actually going to go on a walk and test them out and see how it goes. So right out of the box, these are fantastic. Depending on your ear size, you may want to change the ear caps that come with the earbuds. Mine fit perfectly right out of the box. You can see here and here. A couple things that I really like about these, as far as the controls go, right, your left double tap will go back a track or back a song. Your right double tap will go forward a track or a song. Either ear, when you hit just once, will stop or pause the song or podcast or whatever you're listening to. And then as far as your volume goes, it's a long press on your right ear to turn up the volume, and a long press on your left ear to turn down the volume. So they're super comfortable right out of the box. I think as far as the sound goes, when I was listening to music, doing my nightly walk, the stereo sounds really good. The audio is coming out of both, and when you have something that has alternating music, right, or speakers, it does both sides that way. There's probably a better view of both of them right in the ear like that. You also have the option when you're connecting Bluetooth, you can do single bud. So you can do single earbud if you want to. That's in the manual. So what we'll do now is we're actually gonna jump back in, look at the charger, the LCD screen. Hopefully you have used enough battery that you can see the difference when we plug it back in and see what that looks like on the LCD screen or the LED screen that's in the front of the charger. Again, that'll get you to 100%. And the standby time is an hour on these. And so you're gonna be fine. You really can't beat these as far as the price and the comfort and everything that you get. Again, right out of the box, these fit in my ear. You can probably change the caps if that's something that you need to do. So here's the LCD screen. Obviously we don't have any buds in here, and I'm just going to put them back in. I just got back from that walk. And so we put the right one in and the left one in. You'll see 87, and then you'll see right there, they're charging in their different levels, right? So that means they're both charging, and that's coming from this true wireless charger. So there's two different ways to charge this, right? There's the USB-C version, so I'll show you what that looks like. And then there's also the wireless version where you can set this on a wireless charger and it'll start charging. So let me show you both of those. So again, right, this was in the box that we showed earlier. There is your USB to USB-C. And then here are your additional ear caps. The ones that came straight on the device worked perfectly for mine. So the USB to USB-C is going to be a shorter cable, right? This is going to be about a foot long total. You can see there's the USB-C, USB. Let me show you what that looks like when you plug them in. So you'll see this right here. We've got it plugged into a USB to USB-C. You can see that it's going to give us that kind of blinking charging here. Now we're going to show you what it looks like on a wireless charger. You're going to get the same on this fast charging station. You can see here that it's blinking and it's charging. You can also see this blue light here that's blinking, showing you it's when I pull it off. That light goes away, so I can put it on one of our pads that we charge here, and you can see that it's charging. I just want to make sure we hit all the final points here before we end, right? These are absolutely fantastic. So you get up to 60 hours alternating between the battery charger and the earbuds. As far as the waterproof, right, you've got IPX5, which has the nano coating on it that protects the earbuds from water and sand. Bluetooth technology, obviously it's the 5.3 to improve the sound and the distance between whatever device you're connected to and the earbuds. They do have a secure fit. I love them. When you put them in, you just give them a little bit of a twist. They stick in, they're solid. And again, I mean, what that looks like, I've had multiple buds. I just put them in and just give them a little twist. So this part is pointing towards my chin. And the wireless charging, which is great, is this can actually just charge wirelessly. So it could be in a car, it can be on a desk, it could be anywhere that you have a wireless charger. Obviously you saw earlier in the video, we have a couple of those throughout our house because we have so many things charging. But you can easily check the battery life here with your LED screen, which is nice. You don't have to wait till the earbuds connect. It's right on the screen. I think that's a huge advantage that these Tagry have. And there's multi-function, right? So as far as the one touch to pair, you've got the LED display, easy touch control, high compatibility. And so one of the things that I like about these, right, is that I can use these on my nightly walks. I can use them to travel. I just got back from a trip to Colorado, and these are going to be my earbuds. I do have some over-the-ear ones. These are going to be my daily use earbuds that I use moving forward. So a couple other things that you need to know about the listing is the warranty, right? So there's a warranty that comes along with these, and you can look on the listing to see what that warranty is. I think that's super important as far as the product goes. But I mean, they offer the tagline lifetime after sales service. So if something goes wrong with these, right, every customer is covered in case of product damage. So you can reach out to them. There's a reason why these products, and these Tagry X08s are selling like hotcakes, and that's because everybody loves them. They're great for younger kids that are just getting their first pair of, buds, right, or wireless headphones. They're great because of the cost, but also because of the information it shares, and the warranty and different things like that. So absolutely love them, highly recommend them. You can read reviews and all that stuff below to see what everybody else says about them, but I absolutely love them.